What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, my name is Evan and I make videos about hot stocks, options, and dividends. So if that interests you guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload. Now in today's video, we're covering NIO stock again. And I know I've been covering NIO quite a bit lately, but as you can see, they're over $20 today. Just yesterday they were at 17 and they ended yesterday after hours at over 18.30. In my opinion, I think this is kind of crazy because just yesterday I was thinking that NIO kind of bumped and that they would come back down today, maybe to the $15, $16 range, but they're actually up 13% again today. That's very similar to yesterday where they're up 13 to 15% most of the day. And then they ended after hours way up. Now looking at the 1 week chart, if you had bought some NIO stock back just on the 20th of August or somewhere around this area, you'd almost have a 50% increase on your money. You can see it's up 45% in the last week. So a couple of the points we're going to touch on in this video are going to be what caused the price to spike so high, as well as what some of the analysts are thinking the price is currently worth. So you can see here, according to this article, NIO stock gets an upgrade and 1500% price target increase. So if you guys don't know, one of the UBS analysts, Paul Gong, which I mentioned in yesterday's video as well, he essentially upgraded his thoughts on NIO from a sell to a hold. And this was pretty much the only major news that came out about NIO, and then it spiked up yesterday and ended up past $18. Now, I think today the reason it's up and it's past $20 today is because it's kind of riding along from yesterday as well. Once it kind of got that momentum going and it finally got out of that $14 rut that it was in for a while, I think now it kind of has a chance to break out a bit more. So another reason that NIO could be breaking out right now is because recently they came out with their Q2 sales and numbers, and they reported a lot better numbers than previous quarters. But you can see here that they almost ran out of money in the first quarter, and they also weren't sure whether they were going to make it through the pandemic or not. But then once they kind of proved that they can survive through something like that, now they're kind of testing their all-time highs and they're breaking them each day now. And here it says that the Wall Street consensus is now evenly divided for NIO stock. They have a hold rating, and this is based on 4 buys, 4 holds, and 2 sells. And they also have a price target of $20.50, which is likely to be broken just today. I think it's very possible by the end of the trading day. But the main question is whether NIO will stay around this price, or whether it'll dip back down to some support levels that it previously has. So a little bit lower on this Investopedia article, it says that the bottom line is that NIO stock has broken out to all-time highs, but the volume hasn't confirmed the breakout. So the volume isn't there yet to support these high numbers. So I think NIO could pull back a little bit and drop a couple dollars before it goes back up, because it's been on an upwards trend lately, but I think it could easily pull back a few dollars. So there was also an investment from the Chinese government, and this analyst named Tim, he said that it not only removes funding risk, but also advances NIO's vehicle probability and cash flow. And he also upgraded his analysis from equal weight to overweight. His previous price target was $12 and now it's $20.50. But they're probably going to break that today at some point in the trading day. And this analyst named Tim also calls NIO a growth stock with long-term value unfolding amid recent operational progress. So he thinks it has a lot of potential in the future, but it could be kind of iffy here in the short term. So what do you guys think? Do you think NIO is still a buy at over $20 right now, or do you think it's overpriced? I'm curious what you guys think down in the comments. Also, what do you think NIO could hit by the end of the year? I think it's possible with this recent outbreak that it could hit $30. I mean, obviously it could hit like $50 or $100, but I think a good conservative guess would be around $30 or so, in my opinion. Because you have to keep in mind that the volume's still not there, and so there's not really much supporting this outbreak in this price. I don't think just one analyst upgrading from sell to a hold should really cause this much disturbance in the stock price. But again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. It really does help out the channel and it helps push out the video to more people. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next one. Bye.